Hey, it's Aran here. Welcome to another training video as part of the affiliatestartupcommunity.com. And I wanted to talk to you about affiliate tools page. Now, affiliate tools page is basically a page that you have on your website which showcases all the different tools that you are using in your online business. Now, in my case, specifically, that particular page is, of course, a lot of software related tools, things to do with online marketing, business, things along these lines. But this is not the only type of thing that you need to have or that can have. You can have different variations of that. And I'll give you a classic example. If you are doing anything on social media, you are probably have a phone case. You probably have maybe this little phone holder here that you hold it. You might have a camera light, like a ring light. You probably have a video editing tool. You probably have a laptop. You probably have a specific table that maybe you're using to record your videos or do things like that. You might have journals that you bought that you like to use because that's the type of journals you use and to kind of get your mind off things or plan your day, things along these lines. You might be, if you own your home or you got an apartment or whatever, you have different kitchen items. You can have different things that you're actually using on a day-to-day. Maybe, things that you bought for your pet. There is also furniture that you probably have bought for a specific reason. Maybe you have done a specific course or are learning specific education that you really enjoy. Maybe you are an avid book reader. Every one of those things that are integrated into your life, whether it's educational, physical products, digital products, software, any one of those things are things that could come under the banner of an affiliate tools page or an affiliate product page or my favorites. You see on people's websites, they might have a list of my favorites. In that, you can list all the books that you have learned and love and recommend. You can also list books that you didn't like, so you have a bit of a balanced view. You can list courses that you've done that you absolutely love, software that you're using that you love, physical products that you use and absolutely love. Every one of those things you can basically list out on the affiliate tools or affiliate products page or affiliate favorites page. Now, here's the thing. If you have a page that lists everything, what you can do is you can then have a little snippet, name of the product, 3 bullets of what you use it for, or a paragraph about what you use it, why you like it, and then the affiliate link. That's it. Just a small little section. Done. Basta. Fantastic. And the next one, and the next one, and the next one. You can also categorize them into different things. Books, physical products, software. On the software, you can also say beginner, intermediate, advanced. You can kind of break it down into different things like that. The point is that when you list everything out, that's probably the simplest, easiest type of page to create, to have everything listed. Then you can expand on it, where instead of a link that just goes to the affiliate product directly, you can then decide, this, out of all these items, this item is probably going to make you the most money. I'm the most experienced about, I'm most passionate about. Let me create an affiliate bridge page. Then you would create an affiliate bridge page for this one product. And then you replace the button on your affiliate tools page. You replace that link going to a blog post or a video or an affiliate bridge page, essentially. So that way you're growing the affiliate bridge page and expanding on it. So step 1 is just list all the tools you're using, everything you use, everything you love. Then you can decide how to categorize them so it's sequential. And then you can decide to do more detailed video reviews, more detailed reels, promotional reels, things like that. Now, here's the thing. Those promotional things, they are going to be able to be used on your YouTube, your LinkedIn, your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok, all that good stuff. And you want to send people back to that particular bridge page. So this is one of the ways to do affiliate marketing in a way that's honest, legitimate, and works really well, basically. You see it on some people's websites. It's actually not as common as I think it probably should be. And that's why I wanted to record a dedicated video on this topic. Now, I personally love to use System.io for this particular aspect because the blog feature in System.io works really well for that. I can create an entire page with my affiliate tools, and I can create categories, and I can create individual blog posts on each individual item as well. So I feel that System.io just makes it really easy to start, but also scale it. And also on each individual blog and each individual post, you can actually have a section where they can enter their name and email so you can actually build your list at the same time. So all of that stuff is something that you can check out on my blog and actually see how it all works. But I wanted to go over and give you the high level overview of this particular topic of an affiliate tools page or affiliate favors page. So if you don't have that, here are some action steps. Open up a Google Doc, make a list of every single item you own in your home. Make a list of every single item that you take as a traveler, if that's what you do. If you don't have a home and you're a bit of a traveler, like a digital nomad like me, make a list of all those things, all those necessities. If you are in the online marketing space or the business space, or you have some sort of a business online or service provider or coach, make a list of all the tools that you're doing for that. Could be physical products, record your videos, your ring light, your phone case, whatever, right? Or the software. If you are a stay-at-home mom, and you have a bunch of things that you use for your cooking, okay, make a list of all these. If you're just a person who's into self-development and stuff like that, and you've done a bunch of books or courses or something like that, make a list of all these. Make a list of everything. That will become your roadmap for creating affiliate products and affiliate partnerships and things like that. Now, here's the thing. You don't need to get yourself overwhelmed by, oh my God, I got to write a blog about every single one of these things. You don't have to worry about that. Just have a Google Doc listing everything and then the link to the affiliate program, basically. And choose the ones that A, you're most familiar with, B, make you the most money. Because at the end of the day, you're doing this to make money. So pick the ones that are worth your time and investment. Don't just do a generic content, but do things that are actually going to potentially make you the most money. For example, one of the reasons I focus the most on software is because I make the most recurring income from software. So if you look at my YouTube channel, I have a massive library of tutorials on System.io. And that's because System.io pays me a very generous commission. They pay it to me on a recurring basis, and it builds up passive income. Now, it doesn't mean that I don't like other tools. I like other tools as well. But you're going to hear me talking about System.io the most because A, I do love it and I am very, very familiar with it. But also, they pay a very generous affiliate commission. So it makes sense for me to invest so much time and energy in that particular niche. So you pick the ones, you got to pick your battles basically as to what you're going to focus on. But action step number one is to just make a list of everything that you're actually using in your life and expand your view. Look around the room you're watching this video right now and see what it is that you're actually using. You'll find that there's probably more things than what you realize. So that's about it. That's what's an affiliate tools page. I wanted to share that with you. Go and implement it. We're making the list. And when you're ready to actually set it up as well on your website, I definitely recommend you check out System.io. Go to aranbukai.com/SIO. Or if you are ready to go on the paid plan, then check out my bonuses going to aran.link/197 bonus. So that's about it. Thanks all for watching, and I'll see you in the next training video as part of the affiliate startupcommunity.com. Thanks. Speak to you soon.